This action, which is defined as taking notes, is not transferring all kinds of information directly to paper. In the same way, it is not the case that the notes taken as a purpose are forgotten on the bookshelves, never to be seen again. That's why it is very important to keep important sentences together in a certain harmony, to strengthen their memorability when looking back, and to create bridges between discourses. This is where the Cornell method comes into play. This method is currently applied in major world universities and is considered to be efficient. Taking notes in lectures, conferences and exam periods can become a torture. In times like these, there are some practical ways to come to your aid. One of them is the Cornell method developed by Walter Pauk.